Second question. This question is of logarithm. Solve the equation log 2x square minus 3 is equal to 2 log x minus log 2, giving your answer in exact form. Exact form means the answer not in decimal places. We will use here log properties. Log ln means natural log with base e. Log 2x square minus 3 is equal to 2 log x minus log 2. Now we use here log properties. Property this 2 will move to the power of x. So we can write it as log 2x square minus 3 is equal to log x square minus log 2. Left hand side remains the same. On the right hand side, two log terms are subtracting, so we subtraction will be converted into division. So we can write it log x square over 2. Log x square over 2 we can write in this form. Subtraction will be changed in division. So now by taking anti-log process, cancel out log from both sides. Cancel out, we get 2x square minus 3 is equal to x square over 2. Cross multiplying, we get 4x square minus 6 is equal to x square. Rearranging it, 4x square minus x square is equal to 6. 3x square is equal to 6. X square is equal to 2. And taking square root each side, we get two values of x. X is equal to plus minus under root 2. So we have two values of x. X is equal to under root 2 and or x is equal to negative 2 under root. So this value is not valid. This value is negative x. Negative x is not valid because in the original question when we will put here negative, log negative, the log of the negative number does not exist, so this value is not valid. So only the answer is x is equal to positive under root 3. This is the answer. This value is not applicable. Only the answer is under root 2, which is in exact form.